So in the last video, I participated in a game jam with me and Facti where we were making a game about emptiness. This time, Facti decided to get more people on board and he put them all on this Discord server. Anyways, for this game jam, everyone participating is going to have their own idea. So let's see what mine is. You are the enemy. Oh So on the first day, all I did was literally plan. I have no footage of this, but here is a visual representation. But then Facti said he couldn't participate. So me being the level 100 mewing Sigma male boss, I took his idea. So now since my theme is evolution, this is my idea. So you and the player are starting off in a game set in 1970. The game is very basic and is similar to the graphics of an Atari game. After you beat one level, you move on to the next era. This process repeats until 2020. Think of it like a video game museum. Anyways, let's get started. So first things first, I made the art for the 1970s, which was slightly inspired by the Atari 7800. So then I added the apple and I was already done with the first level. So the next decade we are jumping to is the early 1990s with the SNES. This was the introduction of 16-bit, so I even made my character in 16-bit in Photoshop with the help of this person. Anyways, after putting my player in the game, I made the surroundings. Then I made this golden apple. So here is the 1990s. So the next era is the 2000s, and in this era we were introduced to 3D gaming. Okay, you don't need to tell me. This era included consoles such as the GameCube and the Xbox 360s, which are considered nostalgic now. So for this game, I'm going to stick with the art style of PS2 games. So then I went to Sketchfab and found this player. Anyways, then I made this player move, which took way too much time. So what I'm going to do is make multiple rooms, and the apple will be in one room. So let's get started. Anyways, here is the 2000s. Totally not inspired by like Metal Gear Solid. So next is the 2020s, which is what I'm going to refer as right now. Anyways, the first thing I did was download these very high textures from this website and then design the entire map. I also made the player a first-person controller, as in the 2010s we started to see games at first person, but honestly the first person was easier than third person. Okay, so after 1 hour I have finished. After that I made this very cool end screen and the main menu. So then I made the page and submitted it to the jam. Obviously you can play this game in the link in the description. I think it's pretty good compared to a lot of my recent trash games, so give it a try. Anyways, subscribe, like, comment, and bye.